Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is part 2 of the fractions video. So we're going to look into types of fractions. Now we have different types of fractions. We have proper fractions, improper fractions, and mixed numbers. Now the first one we'll get into is proper fractions. This is where the number is smaller than the denominator and not larger than the denominator. So the example here would be 3/4, as this number is smaller than the denominator. Now, when we look at improper fractions, it's where the numerator is equal to or is larger than the denominator. Hence why it's an improper fraction. Now, an example we could use for this one would be 5/4, or you'd say 5/4. So this numerator is larger than the denominator. And we come to like the final and the last type of fractions. It's a mixed number. It's where a whole number is combined with a fraction. You might have seen this around. So it's where you would have, for example, 2 1/3 of a pizza. That means you have 2 whole pizzas and 1/3 of another pizza. So for example, if you were to have, you could say you have 2 full cakes and 1/3 of a cake. Another example could be 2 1/2 of a cake. So you would have 2 full cakes of the equal size, and you would have half a cake. So that's what this fraction is. So those are the types of fractions that we know, and most questions will come with these 3 types of fractions.